So let's graph this function f of x equals log base 3 of the quantity x minus 2 plus 1. So the first thing I would do is find the asymptote. You find the asymptote by setting the stuff inside the log equal to 0. Okay, so x minus 2 equals 0, you get x equals 2. The reason that works is because when you hit log, you can't take log of 0, but you can take log of anything larger than 0. So where the 0 would be where the asymptote is. So I set x minus 2 equal to 0, get x equals 2. Okay. And then what I do is I just, in order to evaluate these easy, since it's log base 3, right? Log base 3 right here. Log base 3 of powers of 3 would be easy to evaluate. I don't need a calculator. So I just made x minus 2 equal to 3 to the minus 1, 3 to the 0, and 3 to the 1. And then solve for x to see what x would be. So that's 7/3, or I wrote it that way so it's easy to graph. 2.3 with a bar over the 3, that's a third. Okay, and then x is 2 plus 1. 3 to the 0 is 1, of course, right? And so that gives me 3. And x equals 2 plus 3, which is 5. So my inputs are going to be 2 1/3, 3, and 5. And when I put those in the equation, the outputs I get, I'm computing them here, right? The 2 1/3 gives me 3 to the 1, that minus 2 is going to be 1/3. Which is 3 to the minus 1. And that reduces to minus 3 plus 1, which gives me 0. So put that in there. And then the 3 will give me log base 3 of 3 to the 0 plus 1. And so the log base 3 and the base 3 cancel, and you get 0 plus 1, which is 1. And then the 5 gives me 3 to the 1 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So my outputs are nice integers. And then I graph those and just fill them in, remembering that they go to that vertical asymptote.